Today I bring you a super delicious pasta, very quick, affordable and easy to make. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. Today we're making pasta and this is the pasta we'll be using for this recipe. First you bring a pot to boil, add some vegetable oil. Here the pot is ready. We need to add some salt. And next we will add the pasta. Just stir that and close it and allow it to cook. Next is to make the sauce. Add some vegetable oil. Next is to add the onion. Add some chopped tomato. Fry till it's translucent. Next is tomato paste, about 70 grams. That's what I used. Just give it a quick stir. Add some chili flakes. And next is to add the ginger powder. All of these ingredients are optional. I'm adding curry powder. And next is my chicken stock. Usually when I boil chicken, I just put it in the fridge to save it, so that's why it's coagulated like this. So I just melt that and allow it to cook for some time. I'm adding seasoning cubes. I'm using Maggi chicken seasoning cube. 10 grams. Next is salt. Yeah, our pasta is ready, I think. Let's just see. You know it's ready when it's soft and breakable, so it's ready. I'm going to drain and then add it to the sauce. I just mix everything up. Allow the pasta to combine with the sauce. I'm adding coconut milk powder. Next I'll add some sweet sauce to add some sweetness to this pasta. Please, if you know the full name of this Italian pasta, please leave it in the comments for me. Next is oregano. Just going to stir that briefly. Close it for about 3 minutes. Here it's ready. Just add the coriander leaves. Give that a quick stir. Pasta is ready. Here are the ingredients. All you need for this recipe. You can remove or add whatever you want. It's totally your choice. Thank you all for watching. This is a picture of the whole ingredients used for this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to share this video, leave a comment, leave your questions, leave your ideas. We work together to make this, a success. Thank you guys so much. Lots of love.